Hello! Welcome back to the Pomchi Pack, everyone. If you're new, welcome. Today's video is a bit different. We are going through some furniture transitions, so that is why you are in my hand instead of on the tripod as usual. Today we are going to be doing some organizing in the kitchen because our whole entire house is in shambles right now. We've gotten a new furniture, we've gotten new food, and I can go into that in another video if you guys want, but I have some health concerns that we've been going through. Realize that I have a bunch of food sensitivities slash allergies that I need to avoid. So we've had to make like a big transition in the foods that I eat. So we basically have to like overhaul the kitchen. I don't know how many times I just said basically just now. If it was a lot, I apologize. But anyways, you guys, I am kind of just a mess today, so bear with me. We are going to do our best to get the house organized. Right up here, I will put the list of things that I need to avoid now. It's great, it's fun. I am now realizing how much soy they put in everything and how much wheat is in everything delicious. So that's kind of a bummer. I've been doing this for about 2 weeks now, so it's pretty soon in, but I'm definitely noticing a big difference. So I'm definitely moving forward with it. So for today's video, I did buy several things from Amazon. I bought some food storage containers, some airtight food storage containers that came with chalk labels. I am very excited to use those. They looked really nice. I also got some sauce containers, like some condiment containers. Very excited to use those as well because I have to make a lot of my dressings now. Like everything, like salad dressings, ranch especially, even mayo and ketchup, like all of them use soybean oil or like soy lectin, whatever that is, and I can't have soy, so I really do have to make the best of it and make my own. So I will be linking any recipes down below that I have found so far. I am pretty early into this, so I will share my wisdom with you that I have so far, but I am not a guru yet. I will probably have to refer you to vlogs and websites that are much more experienced and much more educated than I am. But I'm just trying to take you guys along the journey with me. Also, sorry if my hand is really shaky. I have, again, health problems and stuff. It's affecting my arms, so bear with me. But anyways, I think that that is enough talking for today. Let's just go ahead and start organizing the kitchen. Also, please ignore any mess that there is in the kitchen. Do your best, because, again, my life is in shambles right now. Let's just go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm gonna wash these as well as my new dressing containers, and then we'll be back momentarily. So while those are drying, that I washed in the bathroom sink, I will do the sauces first, barbecue sauce. And I will link the recipe down below. It has no soy and no ketchup. So this one is the one that I took it off of, but most of them when they came with these little caps in it, and it's like those ones that you get at the store that say like lift to remove. I thought that was kind of a cool touch just because then it makes it last longer, so if you do it ahead of time, you can just put it in and have it sealed, I guess. So I thought that was a kind of a cool touch. I have this and a funnel and my barbecue sauce, so we'll put that in there. Perfect, no mess, hopefully. Now I'm going to run to the sink and hope that I don't drip on the way there. Wish me luck. Okay, that was relatively mess-free. Now let's put the cap on. And there we go. Got our little homemade bottle. Now, the best part is, I have this pack of chalkboard labels that I bought also for an awesome screaming deal. I got a pack of 208 pieces of these labels for $8.59. But let's go ahead and pop these open, label this. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of this pen. It's like one of those ones where you have to push it down and like load it up. Not a huge fan of that, and it's a little bit too thick for what I want. This one came with the containers that I bought that came with a few sets of labels for those. So let's try this one out and see if we like it. If not, I also have another marker pen, or a chalk marker pen, that I recently got from a cereal container set, which I will be linking down below as well because I love it and they work great. Now, as far as sauces go, we are done with that. I'm gonna make sure that the containers are dry enough and then we'll start with those too. Okay, now we are going to start with the most awkward one first. This is the tall pasta one. We bought some rice pasta from Winco in the bowl. That's honestly the cheapest way that we found to buy rice pasta. Haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you know if it tastes like pasta. But I'm hoping that it tastes much better than the gluten-free pasta that I had a couple times ago. It's not great, kind of tasteless. If you're gluten-free, you know what I mean. Anyway, so we're gonna move this into here. I mean, so far the texture and the consistency feels pretty much like regular spaghetti pasta, so I am a fan of that. The more I can trick myself into thinking that I'm having real food, the more I will enjoy it, hopefully. And next up, we are going to do this medium-sized container. We will do this elbow pasta. Now this is white rice elbow pasta as well, so it's definitely more pale than normal elbow pasta. And again, I haven't tried it yet, but I will let you guys know, probably Instagram or Facebook or something, with how it tastes. I couldn't make that fit better if I tried. That was perfect. I'm a fan of these containers too. These lids work so well. Like, I mean, when you press this lever down, this moves upwards, so it makes like a nice, like, airtight seal. I'm really liking them. Next medium container. I'm pretty sure this is rotini. This is brown rice rotini, I think. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure, but it's definitely not wheat. Okay, so I've decided we are going to use the last of the medium small ones. This is a small one, so I definitely want more than this. So we're going to use a medium small one for the flour, and then whatever's left we will just put out in the storage room. This flour smells really good. Almost made it without a mess. Now this is my first time using this Bob's Red Mill gluten-free baking flour stuff, but I'm a real fan of their packaging. They have like a Velcro tip on the top and it seals really well, and it's actually really satisfying the way it makes like little clicking sounds. If you've used this flour before, I'm pretty sure that you'll know what I mean because it's just really satisfying. Other flours should be doing this, come on. Catch up with Bob. I'm gonna put in some of this amazing popcorn that we found at Big Lots that I can have. By the way, if you guys haven't seen my Big Lots video that I did like a few months back, you should go check it out because they have amazing stuff, amazing hidden grocery store. Seriously, not sponsored, but like Big Lots, if you want to sponsor me, I will totally spend all of my freaking paycheck there. Now, one complaint I do have with these Tupperware I'm finding is that this lid does take a lot of space. That's probably the case with a lot of airtight containers, but I just thought that I'd put it out there because really when you think that you have this whole storage space, you really actually only have from here to here. So, I mean, it's probably just a sacrifice you have to make in order to get the airtight containers to work properly. I just think that it's kind of a bummer, and if we could find a way to make it a little bit more small and simplistic, I would be a fan of that. These are the labels that came with the food storage set, the container set. I'm very happy with them. They all match, and they even have some that are just a tad bit smaller for the smaller containers. I do like that. Perfect. Now we are all done with packaging and labeling, so now it's just time for me to put it away and find a place for it. Wish me luck. Alright you guys, I think that is it for today's video. I do hope that you guys enjoyed watching me put things together and make a mess and clean it up and make a mess again and clean that up. So that's usually my life, so I mean, might as well just put that on videotape, right? Anyways, the kitchen is still a disaster, but at least my ingredients are mostly put away and organized. So it's a start. But if I cannot speak. I don't know why this is so difficult. If you are not a member of the Pomchi Pack yet and you would like to be, that's a big red button down there that says subscribe. You can hit it, be a part of the Pomchi Pack, and be notified every time I post a new video. Now, before I struggle any longer with putting my sentences together, I don't know what it is the past 2 weeks. It's just been impossible. Anyways, I think that's it for today's video. I will not put you through the suffering of trying to figure out what I'm saying anymore. I do have more videos though that have me saying things a lot better, except for my last one, which is kind of a lot like this one. And I do plan to do a video, either it might have been the one before this or it might be the one after this, but I will be reviewing a kinetic sand box, okay? If you want to see that, I'm sure it's going to be a lot of fun. You guys are welcome to watch that eventually. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys are not sick of me yet, I have more videos up here and up here that you can enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one very, very soon. Stay safe, be kind, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!